southwestern Acadia and west central St. Margaret parishes through 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Eunice, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Eunice, Iota, Evangeline, Mulata, Richard, Maxie, Egan, Hathaway, and Midland. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle.